How to withdraw Robinhood funds instantly. To withdraw funds instantly from Robinhood, you want to first open the Robinhood app onto your device. After which, you just want to make sure to go to the home page, log in. As you are logged in, you want to go to the account or the person icon, and there you want to select transfer and choose transfer money. Then you have to choose your Robinhood account as a source and your connected bank account as a destination. You then want to make sure to choose the instant transfer options, and the bank account must be connected via Plaid to qualify for these features as well. And after which, you want to make sure to confirm all your information like exact amount, transaction amount, and all that. And once you've done that, you can review the fee and confirm the transfer. And that is how you're supposed to withdraw Robinhood funds instantly. And in some cases, you might be charged as well, and if you are not able to proceed on, you could simply go ahead and contact support, or maybe check for your device's issue as well, or compatibility. So with that, we've completed our steps. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.